IMF allocated United States $17.86 billion to India under SDRs. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, allocated a special drawing rights, SDRs, $12.57 billion, equivalent to around United States $17.86 billion at the latest exchange rate, to India in August 2021. The total SDR holdings of India now stands at SDR $13.66 billion, equivalent to around United States $19.41 billion at the latest exchange rate. The largest ever SDR allocation, in August 2021, the Board of Governors of the IMF had approved a general allocation of about SDR $456 billion to its members in proportion to their existing quotas in the IMF. SDR $456 billion is the largest ever SDR allocation by the IMF. It was approved by it on August 2, 2021, effective on August 23, 2021. Under the general allocation, the share of India is SDR $12.57 billion, around 2.75%. About special drawing rights, SDR. The SDR is an interest-bearing international reserve asset created by the IMF in 1969 to supplement the official reserves of its member countries. The value of the SDR is based on 5 international currencies viz. The US dollar, the euro, the Chinese renminbi, the Japanese yen, and the British pound sterling. SDR is neither a currency nor a claim on the IMF. It is just a potential claim on the freely usable currencies of IMF members. To date, a total of SDR $660.7 billion, US $943 billion, have been allocated. SDR holdings are one of the components of the foreign exchange reserves, FRT, of India. The SDR allocation will supplement India's FRT and reduce the reliance on external debt. Recent related news: India became the 4th largest foreign exchange (forex) reserves holder globally after China, Japan, and Switzerland. India's forex reserves in the week ended July 16, 2021, rose by $835 million to touch a record high of $612.73 billion. About International Monetary Fund, IMF, establishment 1944 headquarters, Washington, D.C., United States, U.S., Managing Director, Kristalina Georgieva members 190 countries, including India. IPIDEMIC implements innovative anti-money laundering solution at LIC. IPIDEMIC Limited, a technology-led business transformation organization, has implemented its IAML, anti-money laundering, solution at Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, an Indian statutory insurance and investment corporation. IPIDEMIC Limited offers various specialized solutions in the banking, financial services and BFSI sector. About IAML, IAML will provide an enterprise-wide single view of risk and compliance at the transactions and customer level, harnessing advanced analytics, workflow and AI with a set of pre-built rules and scenarios. Key points: IPIDEMIC focuses on the strategic niche digital transformation of their clients. IPIDEMIC has invested in the latest industry solutions for the BFSI sector, with cutting-edge technology, customer satisfaction and market demands as top priorities. Next-generation technologies like blockchain, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning are utilized to provide solutions to their clients. Recent related news: on July 20, 2021, the Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, launched a non-linked, non-participating, regular premium, individual health insurance plan named Arajya Rakshak to provide fixed benefit health insurance cover against certain specified health risks. The plan was launched by M. Jagannath, Zonal Manager, South Central Zone, of LIC. About IPIDEMIC Limited, MD and CEO Surajit Roy, headquarters Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra, Incorporated in 2000. About Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, Chairman M. R. Kumar, headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra, establishment 1956. SimplyLearn partners with IIT Bangalore and NPCI to provide advanced executive program in cybersecurity. SimplyLearn, one of the world's leading certification training providers, has partnered with the International Institute of Information Technology, IIT Bangalore and National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, to provide an advanced executive program in cybersecurity. The program is designed to meet the skill requirements of mid-level management professionals of banking, cybersecurity, and finance domains who have technical knowledge of the basics of cybersecurity. Features of the program: The 6 months program consists of a comprehensive curriculum co-created by IIT Bangalore and Simplilearn. Under this partnership, the learners will gain access to virtual classes conducted by experts and masterclass by IIT Bangalore faculties and experts from NPCI. EE.THE program focuses on industry-relevant skills in cybersecurity. IF.THE learners will receive a completion certificate from IIT Bangalore and an internship completion letter jointly offered by NPCI, Simplilearn and IIT Bangalore. The topics covered under the program includes enterprise infrastructure security, application and web application security, ransomware and malware analysis and ethical hacking and VAPT. About Institute of Information TECHNOLOGY, IIT Bangalore. Chairman S. Gopalakrishnan, Director Debabrata Das, established in 1999, located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. About Simplilearn Solutions Private Limited. Founder and CEO Krishna Kumar, Headquarters Bengaluru, Karnataka. Clicks Housing Finance partners with IMGC for mortgage guarantee-backed home loans. The India Mortgage Guarantee Corporation, IMGC, is the country's first and only mortgage guarantee company that had entered into the partnership with Clicks Housing Finance Limited, HFL, to offer mortgage-backed home loan products for salaried and non-salaried customers in the affordable housing segment. IMGC is playing the role of lender in the field of affordable housing. Mortgage guarantee-backed home loans will be provided at low EMIs and higher eligibility criteria with minimal risk. The loans will broaden Clicks HFL's coverage and provide support to the flagship mission of the Government of India, Housing for All, by 2022. At present, IMGC has partnered with more than 18 lenders including banks, housing finance companies, NBFCs, etc., and guaranteed home loans around INR 12,000 crore to more than 60,000 home loan borrowers. About India Mortgage Guarantee Corporation, IMGC, Chief Executive Officer Mahesh Misra. PayNearby launched first-of-its-kind Neo-Dukan in partnership with RASI. PayNearby has partnered with Retailers Association Skill Council of India, RASI, to launch PayNearby, first-of-its-kind holistic store management tool for the digital empowerment of its retail partners and retail stores. It will provide multiple digital payment options like digital ledger for credit management, online wholesale procurement options, among others. Key points: retailing is India's largest industry, accounting for over 10% India's GDP, gross domestic product, and 8% of employment. PayNearby has digitally enabled more than 38 lakh plus retailers across 17,600 plus PIN, postal index number, codes. Its target is to digitally upgrade 100 million retailers by 2025. About PayNearby Technologies Private Limited, PayNearby, it is a department for promotion of industry and internal trade, DPIIT, certified fintech company registered under the Startup India program of the Government of India. Establishment April 2016. Headquarters Mumbai, Maharashtra. Founder and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Anand Kumar Bajaj. About Retailers Association Skill Council of India, RASI, it functions as the apex skill development council for the retail industry. Chairman Avijit Mitra. Headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra. PFRDA increased the NPS entry age from 65 to 70 years. The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA, increased the maximum age for joining the National Pension System, NPS, from 65 years to 70 years of age. Following the change in age, the NPS has revised the guidelines on entry and exit options. The existing age of entry, which is 18 to 65 years, were revised to 18 to 70 years. Who is eligible to join NPS after 65 years? Any Indian citizen, resident or non-resident and overseas citizen of India, OC, between the age of 65 to 70 years are eligible to join NPS and continue their NPS account up to the age of 75 years. Those subscribers who have closed their NPS accounts are also permitted to open a new NPS account, as per increased age eligibility norms. Revised guidelines for the customers joining NPS beyond the age of 65 years. Choice of PF and asset allocation. The customers could exercise the choice of pension fund, PF, and asset allocation with the maximum equity exposure of 15% and 50% under auto and active choice respectively. Exit option, if the corpus is equal to or less than superscript 15.00 lakh. Note, annuity is the monthly payment that will be received by the subscriber from the annuity service provider after their exit from NPS. NPS Tier 2 account. The subscribers are also made eligible to open Tier 2 accounts for investing their disposable income to optimize their returns. Tier 2 savings account is a voluntary savings facility which enables the customers to withdraw their savings anytime. Note, Tier I account is a non-withdrawable pension account that could be used to save for retirement. The new guidelines are issued under Section 14 of the PFRDA Act 2013. Recent related news. In July 2021, the PFRDA made amendments to the PFRDA Pension Fund Regulations 2015 and modified the Foreign Direct Investment (FDI) limit in the pension fund management under the National Pension System (NPS) to 74% from 49%. About Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority (PFRDA) Establishment 2003 Headquarters, New Delhi Chairperson, Supratim Bandyopadhyay. Solari partnered with HDBFS to improve digital lending. Solari, a consumer lending platform, has partnered with HDB Financial Services Limited, HDBFS, a non-banking financial company, NBFC, to improve digital lending. Key points: Objective, to improve the impact of skill upgradation, education loans, and healthcare finance. The partnership will enable HDBFS to provide a seamless borrowing experience to customers across India by providing them with easy finance, digital onboarding, and customer support. So far, Solari has disbursed around 2 million loans, and it intends to further disburse 1 million loans in FY22. Solari is expecting the disbursements worth Rs 1,000 crore under the collaboration. It also intends to leverage new age technologies in the areas of data processing, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and analytics for real-time analysis. About HDB Financial Services Limited, HDBFS, it is the subsidiary of India's largest private lender HDFC Bank. Establishment 2007 Headquarters, Mumbai, Maharashtra. MD and CEO, G. Ramesh. About Solari. Headquarters, Pune, Maharashtra. Co-founder and CEO, Akshay Maharashtra.